Tenses help express time in English. There are three main tenses, each with four subcategories: present tense, simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous, past tense, simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous, future tense, simple. Example: I play football. Present simple, I played football. Past simple, I will play football. Future simple. Tenses in English grammar. Tenses help express time in English. There are three main tenses, each with four subcategories. Present tense, present simple tense, definition. Used for general truths, habits, and regular actions. Structure: subject plus base verb plus object. Examples: I play football. She writes a letter. They go to school every day. Present continuous tense, definition. Used for actions happening right now or in progress. Structure: subject plus is, am, or plus verb ing plus object. Examples: I am playing football. She is writing a letter. They are going to school. Present perfect tense, definition. Used for actions completed recently or having a connection to the present. Structure: subject plus has, have plus past participle plus object. Examples: I have played football. She has written a letter. They have gone to school. Present perfect continuous tense, definition. Used for actions that started in the past and are still happening. Structure: subject plus has, have been plus verb ing plus object. I have been playing football for 2 hours. She has been writing a letter since morning. They have been going to school for years. Past tense, past simple tense, definition. Used for completed actions in the past. Structure: subject plus past verb plus object. Examples: I played football yesterday. She wrote a letter last night. They went to school last year. Past continuous tense, definition. Used for an action happening at a specific time in the past. Structure: subject plus was, were plus verb ing plus object. Examples: I was playing football at 5 p.m. She was writing a letter when I arrived. They were going to school while it was raining. Past perfect tense, definition. Used for an action that happened before another action in the past. Structure: subject plus had plus past participle plus object. Examples: I had played football before dinner. She had written a letter before he came. They had gone to school before the bell rang. Past perfect continuous tense, definition. Used for an action that started in the past and continued up to another point in the past. Structure: subject plus had been plus verb ing plus object. Examples: I had been playing football for 2 hours before it started raining. She had been writing a letter for an hour before the power went out. They had been going to school for 5 years before moving. Future tense, future simple tense, definition. Used for actions that will happen in the future. Structure: subject plus will plus base verb plus object. Examples: I will play football tomorrow. She will write a letter next week. They will go to school next year. Future continuous tense, definition. Used for an action that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Structure: subject plus will be plus verb ing plus object. Examples: I will be playing football at 5 p.m. tomorrow. She will be writing a letter when you arrive. They will be going to school at 8 a.m. Future perfect tense, definition. Used for an action that will be completed before a specific time in the future. Structure: subject plus will have plus past participle plus object. Examples: I will have played football before sunset. She will have written a letter before you come. They will have gone to school before 9 a.m. Future perfect continuous tense, definition. Used for an action that will continue for a certain time before a specific future moment. Structure. Subject plus will have been plus verb ing plus object. Examples. I will have been playing football for 2 hours by 6 p.m. She will have been writing a letter for an hour before you arrive. They will have been going to school for 5 years by next summer. Conclusion. Tenses are essential for expressing time in English. Mastering them will improve your grammar and communication skills. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe.